and most of the objects look good. Why is that sunken into the ground again? But for instance, I don't like this stone wall here. I don't like the texture for it. I like the plaster, that looks good. I like that. But I don't like the stone wall for some reason. Plaster looks okay, I think. But as I'm not an artist, I just took what I had and worked with that. Okay. Let me check. Thing is, this asset pack uses atlases for most of the stuff, so if I go here into the village houses and into the inn wall, and here we have that atlas, and the atlas is 4K, but the individual wall pieces are kind of small. I'm using Skype. Let me check. Yeah, you should find me as Apollyon 6K on Skype. Okay. Good. That is set up. What was it doing? Okay, I was working on this. And at the moment I'm just creating this stuff, but it looks more impressive than it is because I'm using the, if I go to the other layer, if I go here and take the undergarment, it looks like, wow, I'm a good artist, yay! No, I'm not. I cheated because I used this figure and just copied over polygons from there and then worked from there. But that's an easy way to get clothing done for characters that I don't need to change the base character under it. Yes. No, the figure isn't mine. the figure is part of the UMA system. It's you can download the UMA content pack and use it for your things. UMA. I don't have them open at the moment, so let's have a look here into game design, Unity, and down here, blurb. Too many bookmarks. None of them sorted. Really annoying. And if I go here to the content creation, I can download these raw models to work from, basically. But it's totally fine because I can use them in my game without any problems. Can download the stuff from the asset store, and it's using the same rules and same rights, basically, as all the other asset store assets, meaning I can use them in a game, but I can't sell the figure itself somewhere else, which totally makes sense. But I can create content for it, add-ons, and use that then. Okay. Hello, Mint Arcade. How are you? I'm doing fine. A bit sniffly, but the thing is that I want to use this figure here because I can... Let me change the scene so I can show you what this thing can do. That's why I'm creating content for it. If I go here into the scene and load that, and at runtime I'm able to change stuff on the character. And I just changed her ears from normal ears to elven ears, and added hair on runtime. Yeah, I also hope that I'm not getting sick. I woke up with enormous headache and took something, but I think it's fine. I just need to eat something later and then it's okay. Okay. And the other thing I can do with this is if I go into here, click on that, and scroll down here, I can even change the, if you have a look at the shoulder, I can change the muscles there and change. Yes, I know. It is way too metallic because it doesn't have the right textures assigned to it yet. And I can also change the waist, runtime, change the height. And that's why I'm using this system, because I can change stuff at runtime and not be limited to a stature, a static figure. I can also change the arm lengths, the arm widths, and forearms and stuff like that. Yes, I know. Kind of. If I go over here and look here, yes, I can do that, yes. And I can also change the outfits, hairstyles and all that in-game without problem. And if I go to the armature here and have a look at the bones, not sure how to select bones in here, but they have not just the normal bones, but for most of the bigger bone regions they have additional bones that they can adjust. I think in here, yes. And that's the normal bone. It's the left arm, and if I select this one, that's the left arm adjust. And if I change the size of that, then it will change the size of the underlying figure. There are a lot of bones in this. Looks kind of scary, but if I change this back to object mode. Oh wait, let's undo everything we did there, so we are safe. And if we have a look at this in combination with some piece here, the dress basically, and if I change that now and go to the bone here, it should change that, but it doesn't. Let's select both of them. maybe.